Welcome back. Every now and then, I run into a claim online that sounds interesting enough to investigate, and today's video is one of those cases. I found people talking about a method that's supposed to give you extra cash in Jurassic World Alive without using a PC, installing modified apps, or rooting your device. Rather than guessing whether it's true or not, I decided to walk through the process myself and record the entire experience. You'll see exactly what I did, what I observed, and then you can decide for yourself what you think. All right, let's get started and see what this is all about. The first step was getting my player ID from Jurassic World Alive. I launched the game, opened my profile, and looked for the unique ID linked to my account. Once I found it, I copied it and kept it handy so I wouldn't have to switch back into the game later. That part was quick, straightforward, and only took a few moments before I was ready to move on. With my player ID ready, I switched over to Chrome and visited the website that had been mentioned in a few gaming communities. Once the page loaded, I searched for Jurassic World Alive and opened the section dedicated to the game. From there, I followed the instructions so I could see how the process worked and evaluate the claims for myself. Once I was on the page, there was a short form to fill. I picked my platform, iOS or Android, I'm on Android, and pasted in that player ID I saved. I double-checked it, hit connect, and it linked up with my account in just a few seconds. I'll be honest, I was a bit skeptical, but the page seemed to be using secure connections, so I rolled with it. Once it connected, it showed me different amounts of resources I could add. I picked the one that felt right for my account and pressed the generate button. From there, I just let the system do its thing in the background. Apparently, it routes through different servers and all that technical stuff. Right before the resources were supposed to land, there was a quick verification pop-up. They said it's there to stop bots from abusing the system, which honestly makes sense. It was simple. Just needed me to grab a free app from the official store and complete a tiny task inside it. They even had a short guide if you get confused. Took maybe 5 minutes. A little extra work, but nothing painful. This was the moment I'd been looking forward to the most. After going through the entire process, I reopened Jurassic World Alive and checked my account to see if anything had actually changed. The extra cash were already there immediately. I didn't even have to restart the game or wait a few minutes. Everything appeared right away. If you've ever come across similar methods, or decided to test one yourself, I'd love to hear what happened. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy these kinds of mobile game investigations, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I've got plenty more tests and reviews planned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.